Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be explaining to you some basic Mac terminal commands. So let's first get started with what are Mac terminal. The Mac terminal is a built-in command line interface application on Mac operating system. It allows users to kind of interact with the underlying operating system using a text-based, giving access to powerful tools and utilities that are not available through graphical user interface, which is also commonly called GUI. So where do you get the terminal? The terminal, based on your settings, there can be in many places. I have terminal here. I can also find my terminal in the launchpad. I just need to write terminal and I find the terminal. You can also do in your Mac, you can do command space, and that would allow you to go for a spotlight charts. Then you can do the terminal, and that will give you to terminal. So what we are now, so the terminal names are basically different from user to users. I have my name here, and in your Mac you will have your names or whatever names you put in there. Now let's see where we are now. If you want to know where we are now in the Mac terminal, we just need to do pwd. So pwd is printing working directory. So we are here now. So if you want to know where you are now, if you want to do visual description, if you want to visualize where you are now, you just need to do open. Let's open this here. Copy, paste. So that gives the visual picture of where you are now. Now, if you do the ls, if you see all the applications here, files, directories, you can see, and if you do ls, you're also going to see the same thing. So we can see the names of the lists and directories here, and also the same thing here. So if you want to do ls is long listing, so but if you want to display the detailed list of files and directories, you can do ls space -l. That will give you the display of detailed list of the files and directories. And if you want to do the combination of both long format and showing the hidden files, we just need to do ls space -l, and that will give you that. Now if you want to do this list of long format and modification of everything, we also get the better feature of that, ls space -lt. That will give us that. And if you want to open any directory, for example, let's go to ls again. We are here now in this directories contents. If you want to a specific file or application in the directories, users can do cd. Then for instance, we can do the desktop, dextop, and desktop will take us there. How? So if you want to do ls, we see all the documents, all the files that we have in the directories that we just open. Then if you want to go back to previous directory, then we just need to do cd space ... then we go back to the previous directory. How do you know that? Just confirm ls. We are right here. If you want to open a new file, or if you want to create a new file or new directory, you have to do just touch, touch, and touch will allow you to create a new empty file. So touch, let's say we want to do text4. Now we have this file saved in our directories. So how do you confirm it? Let's do the combination. Let's find all the contents. Let's do ls again, and we see text4 is here. And if you want to do mkdir, still in make directory, you want to do directory name, and we can call it text8 or 7. If you do ls, we still see text7 directory is there. If you want to remove a file or directory, it's easy, rm space -r, then name of the file or directory, text4. It should be removed now. How do you confirm it? Just ls again. So you see text4 is not there. So if you want to do the if you want to open a new editor, we just need to do nano and enter, and that's it. That gives us a new editor. And you can write anything. Hello, how are you, for example. This is me. Now if you want to there are many options. You basically do the control G, R, O, Z depending on the what you're looking for. So for example, if you want to exit from here, then we need to do control X, and there I should say yes for Y, and that should take me out. So again, control X, then we put yes. Or we need the name of the file. For example, we did the hello 9. That's it, we are there. If we do the ls again, we can see all the files again, and that also include the hello 9. If you want to do the top, let's say top, top gives you all the active processes, and if you press quit at any time, that because we have active processes going on, so you can see a lot of activities now going on. If you want to say Q, you just press Q at any time, and it will be done. We'll be out from there. And if you do the, so we see we have a lot of things going on here, and we don't want all those things, all the applications, files, so it's kind of messy. So you want to have a new screen, just reset it. Reset will give you the new screen. We can also do the clear, that will also do the same job. That's it. Then let's see what else we can do. We can definitely do a lot of things in the terminal. So if you want to download a file in the terminal, we just need to do, for instance, if you want to install a file, you need to do pip command. Let's say pip install, we want to install Flux, just as an example, and let's give the version of it 3.0, let's see 3, and that's it. So it's already there, so that's why you get this screen. So again, we have other options that we can do for file permission and ownership. We can do chmod and sudo df and a lot of other stuffs. Let's do one thing. If you want to test the connectivity to a network host, you just need to do ping. How do you say that? Ping will set to network host. And if you want to do ifconfig, ifconfig would allow you the configure the network interfaces, ifconfig. So that's what you can see. If you want to SSH, that will connect to the remote server, and if you want the searching and locate, you can also do that using the Mac terminal. So for the if you want to do the brew install, that will also install the packages. And if you want to shut down, just you need to we need to do sudo shutdown to remove the shut down the Mac. And if you want to reboot, that will reboot the system. Then let's see what else we can do. There are pretty things you can do. For instance, if you want to change the password, we just need to change the password of your computer. Let's give you, for instance, if you change the old password, that's it, then you give new password. We retype the new password. That's it, the password is changed. Then if you want to open a Google Chrome from here, so let's see, just open, then space -a. Let's see if you want to Google Chrome. Okay, that takes you to Google Chrome, very easy. And if you want to do the shutdown right now, if you want to shut down the Mac, so you want to go back from here, then you just need to do sudo shutdown space -h. H for halting all the processes, and now if you press it, that will shut down the computer. And because before that, that will also look for the passwords. So basically we can also do a lot of other things. The pretty cool about this is if you want to know certain information about any command, you just need to do what is ls, for example. So that gives you all the information about ls, things that you can do. So that's pretty cool, right? So for instance, let's get out from here, then so for instance, what is cat? And that will also give you all the information regarding the concatenation and printf files, what you can do with the cat. And if you want to directly go to browser, then you just need to know open can also definitely give you a lot of options, but open a specific browser. For instance, if you want to do https://www.google.com. That's it. Let's see if it takes to Google. Beautiful, it takes us to the Google. So if you want to reset, we don't want all this again. Reset gives me to a new screen. We can also, as I said, clear also gives a new screen. So I think the very important thing about terminal is you can do a lot of things, and it can't be described in one video, but a lot of things can go on. And you can also show the path. For instance, if you want to do the open downloads, then that will also downloads all the downloads application that you have. Then you can, so if you want to say, for instance, if you want to say open desktop anytime, that will open the desktop. Then if you want to just create open, then we need to put the path name, and that will take us to the destination of the files you're looking for. So I think that was it. You can definitely do a lot of things in Mac terminal. I think that was a helpful video for you. If you I'll see you in a next video. Thank you very much for your time.